would play Emmett Dutton. The first episode will also have an adult Spencer Dutton, the brother of John Dutton. In the initial episode of Yellowstone, we'll be seeing Jacob Dutton playing the role of the father figure to his nephews Spencer and John. As the series is set in 1923, we'll be seeing the impacts of World War I and the Great Depression on the lives of our favorite characters. We'll see how it impacts the Yellowstone ranches, and we'll also see the prohibition on the Dutton family, which would impact their lives greatly. Dutton's family at the Yellowstone ranch always have enemies, and they never have lived without one, so we may see new faces of enemies in the first episode. We think that 1923 excellence of creativity and brilliance of storyline would be equal to 1883. The teaser trailer hinted towards the violence, and we expect to see the violence in the first episode. There's too many questions raised in the promo that has to start somewhere in the first episode. There are no chances of John Dutton becoming a powerful ruler in the first episode. It's been announced that the series would have 2 parts. The producers also aims at producing 2 new spin-off series, 1940 and 1960, so the storyline would move slower. We only expect the introduction of the adult Dutton brothers and the 2 legendary actors Harrison Ford and Helen Mirren as Jacob and his wife respectively. We may see some good bonding between them and the arrival of an enemy of the starting point of an issue in the initial episode. We're excited to watch the new generation of the family supervising, protecting, and looking after the ranches of the Dutton family. To always receive the latest updates, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. Also like and share our videos.